What is Peapea gonna do with these potatoes? No chips here. Peapea will make Pringles chips with these potatoes. Peel the potatoes first. What is Peapea doing? Now cut the potatoes into thin slices. Finally, we have to dry the potatoes. Maria loves this dish. Hello, Peapea. Peapea is preparing to assemble something. Peapea is clumsy, as always. Peapea works hard to build the house, but he's tired. So it's done. It's not good.
Look over there. That's the mysterious elements room. This room has many strange buttons. Wow, Red appears with 2 flames on his ears. He can even breathe fire. Peapea has a great idea. Red, use your fire to cook sausages. It's done! The sausages are so delicious. Let's roast marshmallows now. Oh no, it's on fire. Red is gone. We have to press another button. Hi, Yellow. Yellow's power is incredible. Yellow, please help Peapea charge his phone. Fantastic! Peapea can't touch Yellow. Let's go! The Coca-Cola can train made by Peapea is broken. Peapea will make another train.
He uses Pepsi cans to make the train. Peapea is trying to make the cans thin and flat.
For the train body, Peapea will use cardboard sheets.
The cans will be cut into small pieces for easy assembly. Now Peapea will use glue to attach the body together. Wow, Peapea has completed a new train. Let's go!
Oh, it's a baby! The baby is exploring a mysterious maze. It turns out this baby is Peapea's little brother. Where is that noise coming from? A giant egg is approaching. Run away! The two Peapea brothers have escaped. Oh no, there is lava under the floor. Baby, crawl over this mat. The egg is approaching again. Hide! The apples and bananas are so fierce. The two Peapea brothers are in disguise and look very funny. Oh no! Run, Peapea, run! John has many delicious fruits. If Peapea were here, he would love to see them. The watermelon slices are less and less. Peapea has discovered the watermelon. What is he going to do? Peapea is so silly. Let's try a piece. Peapea will eat all the rest. John is back. Hide quickly, Peapea. Peapea is trying to cover the watermelon shell as before. John hasn't noticed anything unusual yet. This is not okay. John will find out about Peapea soon. Peapea, don't sneak food anymore. Baby Red is very excited when he sees a huge watermelon. How can we get Baby Red out of here? Peapea will try entering the password and see what happens. Not only did he enter the wrong password, but there's also an additional layer of locked doors. Peapea is trying to break the lock. The lock is broken. This time, Peapea will use a large excavator to rescue Baby Red. The remote control has issues. Keep going, Peapea. Baby Red managed to escape on his own. Meanwhile, Peapea is still trying his best. And now the two siblings have reunited. Oh no! Why did John take Peapea's watermelon? John took the fruit platter too. Now Peapea has nothing left to eat. So hungry. John is making a delicious watermelon ice cream. Great! Peapea loves to eat ice cream. Peapea is craving for it. John, share it with Peapea. Peapea is trying to earn money to buy ice cream, but he doesn't have any coins. The machine is not working anymore. This machine only accepts coins. Peapea is searching everywhere. With this coin, Peapea can buy a lot of ice cream. Awesome! Red is locked in a room full of buttons. Why is that? Peapea is here too. The first button brings Peapea a huge watermelon slice. Red also wants to eat watermelon. Red's button only brings a watermelon seed. How frustrating! Peapea is lucky as he gets another Coca-Cola can. Red soda can is so tiny. Peapea intentionally mocks Red. This time, Red got a delicious piece of chocolate. Wow, Peapea's chocolate is too big. Oh no, it's just a candy wrapper. It's unfair. Oh, Peapea, help Red. Peapea is preparing for his perfect baseball shot. Peapea is so clumsy, he spilled the watercolor on the floor. Peapea got a great idea when he saw the liquid watercolors. He will paint this crocodile house with colors. Peapea will transform the crocodile house into yellow. Wow, it looks beautiful! Oh no, this lid is too tight. Peapea finds a way to open the lid of the red watercolor bottle. Come on, Peapea!
Peapea did it! Crocodile's teeth will be painted in a striking red color. Peapea paints each tooth with a different color. How creative! John is very excited about Peapea's new crocodile house.
Let's take some pictures together. Peapea poses professionally. Oh no, Peapea spilled all the watercolors on the floor. Such a special watermelon slice. Oh no, Peapea is trapped. Where did the watermelon slice go? It seems like Peapea needs to find all 3 keys to escape from this room. So many balloons. Which balloon has the key? Here's the first key. The second challenge is to solve the Rubik's Cube. What is Peapea planning to do? need to do with this magnetic cube? Here's the key. Peapea is fixing a motorcycle. It's red. Red comes to fix his own car. Peapea takes out an Oreo cookie. What is it for? Wait, Red, this cookie is not for eating. Oh, it turns out Peapea plans to use the Oreo cookie as a replacement for the car's damaged wheel. Red helps Peapea out. This wheel is missing half of it. Peapea and Red work together to give the car a new look. They will repaint the car in yellow. Wow, it's completed! Peapea adds 2 headlights to the front of the car. Thank you so much, Peapea. Peapea lowered the parachute into a room filled with mysterious buttons. He eagerly ran to press the round green button. It turned out to be a delicious fresh orange. Peapea loved eating oranges. This orange had emotions. It was angry to know that Peapea intended to eat it. The orange starts chasing Peapea. Will Peapea successfully escape his pursuit? Peapea accidentally fell on the red square button, making the orange to disappear. Phew! Peapea could finally breathe a sigh of relief. The red button poured out a lot of M&M candies, making Peapea can't believe his eyes. He excitedly kept putting candy into his mouth. Don't eat so many candies at once, Peapea. It's really not good for you at all. Peapea continued to press the blue button, the M&M candy disappeared, and the room began to shake. The 2 sides of the wall are moving closer together. Peapea must find a way to escape immediately. Wow, John has a beautiful 3-color gumball machine slide. Peapea is overwhelmed by this candy machine. He's eager to taste the candies inside. The slide is too slippery. Peapea can't climb up. Peapea uses his antenna to create mini stone steps leading up to the candy box. Finally, he successfully climbs up. But Peapea is tired. He needs a break. Peapea is angry because no candy is falling. Oh no! Peapea breaks the candy box and candy spill out onto the table. Peapea forgets that the mini stone steps are still on the slide. He's really clumsy. John returns and catches Peapea among the candies. However, Peapea acts like he knows nothing. Don't break things like that, Peapea. Ew, Peapea needs to take a shower immediately. Peapea chooses to step into the blue room and jump straight into the bathtub. This bathtub is too cold. Peapea is about to freeze. Peapea's hands turn into hammers to break the ice and get out of the blue room. Wow, this red room has a bubbling hot tub. The water in the tub is too hot. Peapea brings some cold stones from the blue room to cool down the water in the red room. He's so clever. However, not long after, the water in the tub starts boiling again, making it impossible for Peapea to continue bathing. The bathtub in this green room is amazing. Finally, Peapea has finished bathing. Now he feels clean and fresh. Oh no, what's happening to Peapea? It turns out it was all just a dream. Huh? Wow, John's popcorn box looks so delicious. John, let Peapea try a bite. Huh? But John doesn't want to share it with Peapea. A truck carrying a container full of Lego bricks. What does Peapea plan to do with all these Legos? It turns out he wants to build a popcorn machine out of Lego bricks. Let's get started. Come on, Peapea. The machine is almost finished. Let's start making popcorn now. Peapea adds a lot of corn and fruits into the machine. The machine is producing the first pieces of popcorn. Oh no! Why is there popcorn and Lego everywhere? Let's enjoy the results now. Wow, this ice cream cone looks really tempting. Peapea wants to break the glass to get the ice cream. It turns out you have to enter the correct code to get the ice cream. The code is wrong, Peapea. Oh no, the cabinet has added another layer of iron frame to protect the ice cream. It seems like Peapea has figured out how to open this cabinet. After opening the control panel, Peapea cuts all the wires inside the cabinet. Peapea successfully unlocked the cabinet. The ice cream fell. Poor Peapea. Oh no! Peapea is locked inside the cabinet.